Very good evening. Welcome to the presentation ceremony of this, the second day of the Sylhet segment of the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. Fortune Borishal played very, very well, and they convincingly won this match by 7 wickets. That makes it 2 wins and a loss for Fortune Borishal. Congratulations to Borishal and commiserations to Durbar Rajshahi. It's my pleasure now to introduce you to our presentation party. Immediately to my left, Mr. Chaudhry Abul Kalam Parvez, Senior Assistant Vice President and Manager of the Sylhet branch of the Dutch Bangla Bank. Alongside him, the happy owner, the franchisee owner of Fortune Borishal, Mr. Mohammad Mizanur Rahman. And next to him, Major General Dr. Munir Islam Akhund, NDC, PSc, PhD, Managing Director of Summit Power Limited. Thank you, gents, for being here with us. Straight away, the Summit Most Valuable Player of the Match, an award of 1 lakh taka to be handed jointly over by Major General Dr. Munir Islam Akhund and Mr. Mizanur Rahman. It goes to Shahin Shah Afridi, 2 for 20, the most valuable Summit Most Valuable Player of the Match. Well done, Shahin Shah. Bowled very well, very economically, took 2 important wickets. Congratulations. Right, another award, the most important award, the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match. This also has an award, amount of 1 lakh taka to be jointly handed over by Mr. Mizanur Rahman and Mr. Chaudhry Abul Kalam Parvez. And of course, it is a scintillating knock by the skipper, Tamim Iqbal. 86 of 48 ball at a strike rate of 179. 11 fours and 3 sixes for Tamim Iqbal. If you would like to come across Tamim, nice for us, 2-in-1 interview as a captain and the player of the match. Well done today. You seem to have got back lovely rhythm and you're playing the ball to all parts of the ground quite comfortably.
I thought batted okay. The wicket was good, but surprisingly it was doing a bit in the second half compared to the first half. The ball was seaming around in the first couple of overs, and then when it got settled in, Dew came in heavy. We batted well. As a unit, we batted well.
You feel that Dew had a bit to offer in aid of the batters rather than the bowling unit? Because the bowler had difficulty in grasping the ball.
Yeah, it depends, you know. When it's too much dew, it's also hard to hit. The ball gets heavier. It doesn't travel as much. So both, but I think batter gets a bit more advantage.
Yes, and you paced the innings very nicely. The manner in which we saw early on, Kyle Mayers did a good job to start things off. But when Mushi came in, the two of you were really going after the bowling.
Oh yes, so we needed this. I think we needed this because you get the confidence with this kind of win when the batting unit is doing well. I need to also say the way we bowled. They were going at a very good pace till the 10th over, and the way Shaheen, Fahim, and our 2 local spinners bowled. Rishad, I thought, in this condition, which is nothing to offer.
And Tanveer also.
Tanveer, yeah, but I think both of them bowled extremely well. But what I would like to see is maybe a little bigger boundary, because it's too small, I think. For the spinners, for the bowlers, too small. They have space. I don't know what's the reason to have 58 yards boundary. I really I hope the BPL authority is listening to me. And when you have space, when you're playing international, you play 70 yards. So why just to see 6 and 4s, you don't put 58 yards?
Thoughts to think about for all and sundry. Well done today. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's Tamim Iqbal. That is all from us.
বাংলাদেশ প্রিমিয়ার লিগ 2025 7টি দলের জমজমাট লড়াইয়ে মাতবে পুরো দেশ। দেখতে চোখ রাখুন টি স্পোর্টস নেটওয়ার্কে।